Hi, my name is Brad Jaquith, and my specialty is knee and shoulder, and I practice at Fort Sanders Regional Medical Center and at TOC Sevierville. So a total shoulder replacement is similar to like a knee or hip replacement in that you're replacing parts within the shoulder. So in the shoulder, it's a ball and socket joint. So you're replacing the ball and the socket so that when the shoulder is moving, you don't have that pain and grinding, similar to like you would in your knee or your hip. And there's two different types of shoulder replacements. You have your standard conventional type shoulder replacement, and you also have what's called a reverse shoulder replacement, where the ball and socket are reversed or on the opposite sides. A standard total shoulder replacement is more for patients that have shoulder arthritis, but also still have a good rotator cuff, whereas a reverse shoulder replacement is designed specifically for patients that don't have functioning rotator cuff and can be used for a number of different options, including irreparable rotator cuff tears or severe fractures of the shoulder, and can be a really good option for treatment. The procedure itself is an open type procedure, making an incision through the front part of the shoulder. It's probably a 6-7 centimeter incision. And you go down and you have to remove a portion of the bone, and generally have to take a small portion of the socket in order to make the parts fit. And there's two different types, and the procedures themselves are fairly similar between a conventional and a reverse. It's just the orientation of the parts are different. So the number one goal in terms of shoulder replacement surgery is pain relief, and many of these patients have hurt for a long time due to severe arthritis. So pain relief is fairly predictable, with 90 to 95% experiencing significant pain relief and almost no pain. And the duration and how long the replacements last is around 95% survivorship at 15 to 20 years. So the recovery after shoulder replacement surgery is generally about a 3 months process. The first 6 weeks is in a sling with not using the arm very much, and then progressing to using the arm more and more over the next 6 weeks. And at 3 months, you really can do whatever you would like to do, and you really can get back to normal activities, and it really can change your life.